Hello, we will be learning about face modeling today. So first of all, you need to find this image in my Google Drive. Okay, I will share the link in the description, and you can find that image there. And also, you need to understand this. Okay, if you look at this, see how clear it is. But actually, okay, this is the real reason why it is this clay. It has this much clarity. The original one doesn't have this much quality. I will show you. So I'm gonna go to this is my 3D folder. So I kept all the okay. So I get some interesting images and stuff to model in my free time. So if you go here, as you can see, this is a HD version, and also you see the original version. So this one is 73 MB and this one is 3 MB. Okay, so what's the difference? I will show you. See, okay, this one is from the WhatsApp, so it already lost a lot of clarity, but the the real one does have little more clarity than this, but I used a AI to enlarge it, so the result is this. See, it is a big difference. Okay, it makes a big difference, and I will show you an example. So you have to download this guy. So real okay surgeon or surgeon bat. Okay, bat means batch, so it doesn't matter. So surgeon, it is the AI, and you can find this AI in the internet. Okay, if possible, I will share the link also. So there is a YouTube video mentioning about this, and that's how I learned about it. And so I will be sharing the link to that video. So you watch it, carefully listen to what he said, and download it. Okay. So let's see. So how it works. First of all, I need to find it. Okay. So this one, yeah, it's good. It's good. Okay, fine. So sometimes we take photos in our old Android phones. Okay. So we get this. Okay. So just click and drag. So this one is 26.7 KB. Okay. So I will put it right there and wait. Okay, you have to wait until this happens. So I have this potato graphics. Okay, so see, it enlarged. Okay, okay, forget that one. Okay, so we get this one. So where did it go? I'm not sure. I think it is in the same folder or something. Okay, I'm gonna refresh it. I have no idea where did it go. So I'm gonna okay, open the properties. I think, or I can just save as then go to this one 3D and put it here. Okay, I think it already in this folder, so it will go where the original image is. So we get this 2000 into 1244 size. Okay, it is 1.84 MB. Okay, now let's try one more and we will get back to this face modeling. Okay, face or head modeling. Okay, this one. Okay, so the original image only have this much detail. Okay, fingers crossed. Yeah, we get this. We get this beautifully enlarged this image. So I recommend you guys to try this. Okay, it may not be the most accurate one because he tried the best. Okay, the AI tried the best and it tried to give the best. Okay, so anyway, 98% it's okay. Some little details like this is not it's not a big deal because this is how it looks like. So even I can't uh, recognize the shape. Okay, so this AI is a good one and it is free. Okay, so download it, keep it in your PC and do things like this. Okay, now let's go to let's go to here. It also helps to convert this 61.2 KB file into, okay, it already have good good clarity, but still we can do this. Okay, it helps to 4x times it will enlarge it. Okay, I think it is enough. 4x is enough. So it's taking too much time. I think it is because of the big size. So okay, I think it's gonna take 100 seconds, so I'm gonna leave it there. Okay, I'm gonna close it. You can find more details in the video link. Okay, let's go to here now. So how do we start? First of all, we need reference image in the side view and the reference image in the front view. Okay, in front view you have to put it like this. Okay, so the center line of the grid will be in the middle of this image. Okay, that's how it should be. So put it right there. For the side view, I think I put it behind this line. Okay, I don't want to put it like this. Okay, so I put it like this. Okay, see where the nose is. Okay, someone might say, why do we need this? Okay, we can just split it in the Photoshop or any image editing software, but it's a time waste process. Okay, so I don't want to do that. So it is. So if you don't get confused, then this way is better. Okay. This image is finished. I think it looks good. May not be the best, but it looks good. The old one was pixelated, so yeah, I did the best. Okay, it's still a good one. Now let's close it and proceed to this. So I'm gonna turn off the grid, so it is annoying. So I'm gonna turn it off and take C. So we are in the front view. We are going to make this eye socket. Okay, so it is very easy because the reason why I say easy is because you already have all the reference. Okay, you have the wireframe, you have the how many faces it needs to have. Okay, you already know that because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so it's a total of 11. Okay, 11 faces only needed for this one. Okay, don't try to modify it. Okay, just make a cylinder, put it right there, then put 11 here, then put 2 here. Okay, we want 2 there. I will show you why, and rotate it. Okay, normally I will do this 90-degree or something like that, but it is not necessary. Okay, let's like this. Just manually is fine, or you can just put 90 here. Okay. Then since we put 2 in here, so double shin cap, we can get this face. Okay, so we need that. So first of all, select this, then press shift and click and drag like this. Okay, so what do you get? You unselect the first selected part and you get the remaining part. Okay, so I'm gonna delete that. Okay, this is the end result we need. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna use the vertex, then press this. So I'm gonna put it right there. So 2 on 2 like this. So we can just roughly put it back there, so we don't get confused. Okay, now I think it is supposed to go there. just put it there roughly. Okay, rough. You don't need to be precise for now. Just put it right there, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay. So now we will do it correctly. Okay. Okay, you can find the original image of this in the Pinterest, I think. Pinterest or in Google Image, I think. So go to their official website, then download it. Okay, use for personal use only. Okay, learn this one. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we do this now. Let's go here. Okay, this image will be a first step to this face modeling. Okay, this is not the final way to model any character. This one is only a this is not the final method. Okay, you can use this method to every single character. Okay, every single character needs different type of shapes or styles, so it may works on the basic shapes. Okay, this one is a basic model. When we finish it, you will understand that this is not an advanced face topology or something like that. It is not advanced. Okay, this is a basic model, a basic topology. That's all. So first of all, you need to learn this one. Okay, first you learn this one, then we can learn the advanced one. Then only you will understand how it is done. Okay, or you won't understand. And I will explain why, and explain the reason why we are doing this. Okay. Okay, now I think it is done. So all you have to do is correct it there, then move it like this. That's all. Okay, just select these two and move behind, then arrange them in the proper place. Okay, I think AI remove his eyes. Okay, anyways, after this, this is where the things get interesting, because if you do this, then doing this part and this inner part will be very easy. I'll show you why. So I'm gonna double click it, then use scale tool, then shift click and drag. Okay, so we can do this extrude thing. If you are not using same version as mine, or if you don't have this Maya 2020, then you can do this option. Okay, you have to press this extrude button and extrude it and rearrange them like I am doing. Okay, so it's your option. Okay, you can upgrade your version to Maya 2022, or you don't have to. Okay, I know people who still use 2080. Okay, so they like that version, so they use 2018. Some people, some places they still teach 2015. I think 2015 my version, I think. So they teach that, so it doesn't matter. Okay, first of all, learn all the basics, then improve yourself. Okay, without a good foundation, you can't learn anything, or you can build anything above it. Okay, then do this. Okay, after that we will go here. Okay, if you are annoyed by this layout thing, you can use this model as. Okay, so panel layout, two planes side by side. Okay, then spacebar, hold it, then use front view, right click. Okay, you can do this. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, there is a lot of ways to do a single thing, so doesn't matter. You don't have to follow any specific rule. Okay, make your own rule and do as you like. Okay, first okay, now we get this. Okay, I part. So let's go to perspective. Okay, so this is what we get. Okay, turn off the X-ray mode and we get this. Okay, I'm gonna save it. So this one will be head 2. Okay, so we get this one and press 3. Okay, my system takes some time to process that step. Okay, even a dual core doesn't have to process like mine do. Okay, so we get this. Okay, you don't have to worry about this one. Okay, okay, so if you press 3 and you find yourself in a situation like this and you gonna do this. Okay, this is a good thing, but the problem is, okay, after you do this and press 1, see, it goes out of this place. Okay, it doesn't matter. You don't do that. Okay, it will only confuse yourself. Okay, so it will no, be in your way of doing your work. Okay, so let's go to right view, that is this view. Then we gonna mirror it. Okay, so press this one. So we get this. Okay, we don't want this type like this. So merge threshold will be set to 0.01. Okay, lowest value, and we get this one. Okay, this is what we want. So okay, we gonna do this part now. Okay, this. Okay, we got to select this edges and bridge it. Then add one division. One division is fine. Where is that one division? Okay, I think it is somewhere. Okay, it is there. Okay. I think it is because of this one. Okay, anyways, we're gonna move it forward. Why we move it forward, I will show you why. So let's go to this right view and do this. Okay, then move it like this. Okay, we are done. Okay, we finished that part. Okay, I think we need to. Okay, so I is fine. Okay, so we only do this part. We don't care about this part. Okay, so if you want to do same like this one, then you have to do it like this. So you have to forget about this one if you are doing this part. I'm doing this part, so I'm gonna forget about this. Okay, if we since we have this 2022 or 2020 version, we can use this part symmetry. Okay, symmetry is a very good option. Okay, very good feature, I think. Okay, the reason why is because you can do this. So if I you can, for this object like this, you have to use this world X. Okay, so you get this one. It is almost similar to duplicate special, but duplicate special requires you have to rotate it. Also put the minus scale on the some axis we want. Okay, so it is very difficult to control, and also if you combine some things, it will go away. Okay, so you have to do it over again. So symmetry is a very good option. It also has some problems when extruding, and we will encounter it during our journey. Okay, so first our yellow part is our I part is completed. I'm gonna select this and new material. So a standard surface one. So I'm gonna put it as yellow, then click it. Okay, I'm gonna add yellow color. Okay, then select these guys and new material, then I'm gonna put it as skin. Okay, so now let's, so it will, okay, it looks very bad. Okay, now I have to go and do this. Okay, so go to edit, delete all by type history, and before you click that, press Ctrl Shift, then click. Okay, so shortcut will be added in your shell. So any active shell will get this. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off the then okay, I need to find the correct color. Okay, I think it is right here, so I'm gonna click it. Using eyedropper I will do this. Okay, color is fine, I think. Okay, I put it correctly. Okay, you can do this. Okay, I'm gonna do that also. Then for the skin, I think it is good. Okay, okay, anyways, just leave it there. Okay, now let's go to here. So nose is easiest part, but it is a little tricky, but you can do it very easily. I will show you how. So we need this cube thing, then we only need cut in the center. Okay, like this. So subdivision width we need 2. Okay, everything else is 1 as it is in the default setting. And go to this part and select these guys and delete. So we will end up having these 2 faces. That is all we need. Since we have this symmetry, we won't have any trouble adjusting it. Okay, so okay, so first put it like this. Okay, we will do it one at a time. Okay, so first of all we need to put them in the proper place. Okay, so put it right there, like not here, here. Okay, here. Then second one will go to here. Okay, this part. Turn on this wireframe mode and move it like this. Okay, so this point to this point. You can just put it straight there, but it's fine. Then I'm gonna extrude it like this, put it like this, then again extrude, move it like this. Okay, don't forget to move. Okay, or you will get confused. Okay, then do this. Okay, now we have to do is arrange them in the proper place. That's all. Okay, since we use PI to correct the upscale the version, upscale the image, I think it mess up something. So follow. Okay, follow this one or this one. It's up to you. Don't get confused. Okay. So 1, 2. Okay, I only select this 2 and extrude it upwards. Then move it like this. So we get this one and do this. Okay, so you can just extrude it right there. Okay, you can select these 3 and extrude it right there, and just target wheel them. But this one is, I have the user method, so select this one and put it. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, single step. Okay, now we need this part. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we need this part, we need to make this part. So for that we have to select all these guys and like this. Okay, I'm going to unselect these two and move it like this. Okay, I'm going to put right there and put it right there. So in this side I move it like this. So in this view we have to only move it using pivot. Okay, or it will mess up the location. Okay, we put it in the shape like this one. Okay, then select the space. In another video I will do some advanced modeling, advanced face modeling in some another video. Okay, I think this one is not necessary, so I'm gonna delete that one. So this one has to sit there. Okay, so we do that, put it right there, and we got it. Okay, this one style logo goes like this. Okay, it's fine. Just put it like that, and we can just double click it. The reason is we will select this part also. So select this one up to this one, then export it. Okay, don't forget to move it like this. Okay, put it like that. Okay, I'm trying my best to say everything in the simple English so anyone can understand. Okay, so we get this one. Now we need this one. We need to go here and do this part. Okay. Don't forget to arrange them in this side also. Faster you do this on both sides, it is better. Okay, so select these two, put it up. Okay, if I am not talking I can do this faster, but since I'm talking I'm a bit slow. Okay, then so this is how we made the nose part. Okay, so select these guys, and I'm gonna add a new material that is orange, I think. Okay, orange or brown, I think, doesn't matter. Okay, then I'm gonna add this color. It's fine. So, okay, add again. Now okay, this one will have the skin. Okay, skin and orange. Okay, so let's go to here and see what we made. Okay, this is what we get. We will connect them later. For this part we will just double click them and just extrude inside. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all there you have to do, and done. Okay, this part will have the same material as skin. Okay, so let's don't waste our time. Then do this. Okay, so we need, I think, if I remember correctly, I think it is 18. Okay, let's check it. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 on this side, 8 on this side, so it is 16, I think. Okay, not 18, it is 16. Okay, so let's make a cube and put 16, then press 2, put 2 there and just rotate them. Okay, this is enough. Okay, I'm gonna do this and do like this, delete the unwanted part, and you get this. Move it like this. Okay, now we do this. Okay, don't get confused, just we are focusing on putting the pieces there, that's all. Okay, I was hoping to put it right there, but I accidentally put it there, so we'll put the rest like this. So, okay, okay. Now let's do like this. Since we, yeah, I think I will just put it right there. It's easier now. So do this same, follow the same step. Okay. So we don't get confused. Okay, now you think it is half finished, but actually it is not. Okay, we are going to do this. So select these two, scale it. Select these two, scale it. Select these two, scale it. So we are not doing this right now. Okay. So and I will show you why and why I did that. Okay. You will learn it soon. Now let's go here. Now let's, okay, we need to do this part also, don't forget about that. Now, okay, I will put it like that. So anytime I can just go and pull it down and get the perspective. Okay, so let's go here. So this part is right there, so I'm going to move them like this, and also move it like this. Okay, just put in the halfway. Then this one goes to that part. Then this one go here. This one go here. Okay, this one and this one will go here and here. Okay, don't forget about this one. This one will be center. Okay, so you have to do this. Okay, scale it like this. Then also this one goes to here. This one goes in the middle. This one goes to here. This one. Okay, I think top part is the correct position, so bottom part is now correct. Then okay, like this. Okay, it will look like this. Don't worry about it. You are doing it correctly. Okay, so make sure you don't do this. Okay, don't select this guy. Okay, so okay, after you get this one, take the multi-cut tool and add a cut like this. Okay, so to get a cut like this, you have to press Ctrl. You can also use this mesh tool, insert a glue tool and add one loop like this. Okay, then double click it and unselect these two. Okay, these two are important, so you have to unselect them and push it forward. Okay, like this. Okay, then I'm gonna unselect this one, then push it back. Okay, then you are done. Okay, done. Okay, now it's done. Then any corrections we want corrections, do that. Okay, so we are done. So we get this mouth. Okay, so I see some problems when people doing that. The main problem is they can't do this. Okay, so you have to follow the same step. Okay, or you can't do this. Okay, you have to follow the same step. That is very important, and don't do it using cube. Okay, never do that. Use cylinder and follow the same step. Okay, the main reason is with this I can add cut here. So if I press 3, it will look sharp. Okay, so let's see. Okay, if you are okay, this is not how it will look like, but I am making a sample model. Okay, so first I'm gonna add a cut here. See, it has a very sharp line. Okay, so if you are making it in the cube, you can do that. Okay, we need to do something like this. So use cylinder always. Okay, okay, you can think of it as a rule. Okay. So do this and your model will look fine. Now since we have this extruded part, I'm gonna correct them like this. Okay, if you didn't do that, just extrude them and put it like this. Okay, for this part we are gonna move it like this. I don't want to do okay, go left or right. In the symmetry view, the Maya won't allow to do that, but I'm trying to say you shouldn't do that. Now do it like this, like this. Okay, I think don't mind this, guys. I'm trying to listen music in the background. Okay. Then, so we get this part. Now, then select this guy and add a new material. Okay, first of all, just select. Okay, in object mode, add existing skin. Then I'm going to select this. Okay, so this is a minority part. So okay, they are easy to select. Okay, then new material. Arnold, this guy will get violet or purple I think. Okay, purple. Okay, I'm gonna select using select this color and we get this. Okay, I think this color is not good. Okay, anyways, so I'm gonna delete all of their history. Go to skin. I'm gonna try reselect. Okay, it still look dark. Not sure why. Okay. Okay, anyway, just leave it there. Okay, now we have to select all these guys, combine them. Okay, so again, delete the history. Okay, I don't want to see any Lambert tone in there. Okay, so everything is fine now. No need to change the name also. Okay, so first step we have to do is bridge these guys. Okay, first do that, then we will do that. So bridge it, add a division, and you're done. Okay, next step will be to put them in the correct position. Okay, now let's double click it, then I'm gonna extrude. Okay, so I use that method, so everyone will understand what I'm doing. Okay, so this one will go to here, this one go to here, and this one go here. Okay, for this part I'm not gonna put that anywhere near that. Okay, I'll show you why later, but this part we will put them there. Okay, so this one go here, select two at one time and hold it like this, so you get like this. Okay, this one looks fine, this one looks fine. Okay, only problem is this one. So what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna select this edge and target wheel them. So how I do that? So select this one, press shift, press and hold. Okay. Then right click, go to merge and collapse edges. Okay. So you will get all these options. So we want this option, that is target wheel tool. Then release them also. Okay. So you get the tool. Okay. Now just do it. Okay. So okay, that part is done. Now comes the difficult part. That is to move these guys to the proper position. That is okay from here to there. So this part is done. So I'm gonna select this, then move it like this. This part is done. This part is done. This part is done. This part is done. This part is done, and this part is done also. So add the second cut. Okay. See how see the size of this size. See the distance between them. Okay, it's very important. Okay, it's a very important thing you must understand. Okay, so most of the people will put like this in when doing a different model, a different reference. So this, see, they will find it. They are trying to fill up the gaps. Okay, here. So they might do this, but it will cause some problem to the page. That is why you need to learn the basic first, then do the difficult one. Okay. If you don't have a good basic, then whatever you learn, it doesn't matter. Okay, basics are important. Now, so okay, we need to correct this part. See, the reason they are labeled in different color is because they are different loops. Okay, so these loops are very important when you are making stuff or doing facial rigs, etc. Okay, proper topology is very important for rigging. Okay, so I'm gonna add this screen and okay, so okay, the reason why I'm putting color is because I'm trying to make the same thing, but you don't have to do that. Okay, this is for you to understand, that's all. Then I'm gonna press 3 and we get this one. Okay, if you find pieces like this, it is mostly because of the not merged part. Okay, so I'm gonna merge it again, do this. Okay, so see, just I merge these 3 edges and it is done. Okay, so yeah, it looks like that. Okay, now press 1 and continue. So okay, this part is very boring part because we have to okay, first of all, I think from here to here and make this part, then we can select the whole thing. Okay, now okay, I'm gonna unselect this part. Where did it go? I don't know. Okay, so let's select the like this and put it right there. Okay, now I'm gonna arrange them. Okay, so this will go to this target wheel them to there. Okay, so do that, do that. Okay, Okay, now we get this path. Then what you have to do is select this edge and extrude it. So this is what you have. When you use shift to extrude. So you have to use this old method and do this. It is very boring, but you have to do it. Okay. Now let's put it right there. So yeah, the nightmare is done. It is not in the proper position, but I think I have a solution for that. So select like this and move it up. Okay, it's done. Now let's move it up. Then do this and do this. Okay. If you like my videos, okay, subscribe for me. Okay. I will try to make new videos like this. Okay. I'm planning to make a video on basic tools. Okay. So my channel is all about the things you have to learn after the basics. That is why I put the name as after basics. But maybe in future I will try to do it. Okay. Right now I am planning on making whole thing. Okay. I want to focus on modeling part only. Modeling, some texturing. Okay. Everything except rigging and animations. Okay. I will try to make a good video for that part. Okay. Rigging is very difficult. It is little difficult for me, but I can do human, animal, or any type of rig I want, but yeah, but it is very time consuming, so I'm gonna focus on modeling and texturing, lighting and rigging. Okay, no, sorry, no, not rigging, rendering. So I will focus on that. Okay, you can actually you can find better videos on rigging and animation on this YouTube. So there is no reason why I should do that. Okay. I think texturing is very texturing videos are not a common thing, so I will focus on that. We will cover we will be using a lot of this planar, cylindrical, spherical, and also manual UV methods. Okay. And also I will do something on do some texturing with Photoshop, something like that. Okay, you guys need to learn the Photoshop also, so we will do something on Photoshop also. When maybe some professional companies use QL mixer or substance painter or something like that, but you still learning Photoshop is also a good thing. Okay. I already put some videos about QL mixer, but it is only one video. I make a terrain and texture it in using QL mixer, and also it is in Modell language. I think one guy commented about this. That is why I'm saying right now. Okay, I think he likes it. So I will do some good videos about it. Okay. Okay, when okay, so put it like this. Just select these three. Forget this one, because when you move it, this one also moves. So do like this. Yeah, okay, we got that. Okay, I have this feeling. Okay, feeling that is most of the YouTube video only cover about something, simple things. Okay. In Blender, you have this donut thing. It is a very good one. I think I didn't actually see it, so I'm not gonna say anything bad about it. So I will say another example. If you there's a there's a lot of videos about this well, making well. Okay, water well. So uh, actually, so imagine this. Okay, some guy make a well and texture it, put some lighting, then render it. Okay, so and put some water in there. Okay, water coming out or water inside is flowing, something like that. I think it will be a good video, but it won't have any use. Okay, other than making a well. That is why I'm trying to make a lot of different things. Okay, they won't bother making a you know good character. Okay, different good character, custom made characters, because it is time consuming. Also, they try to sell it. Okay, sell it as a premium product. Okay. That is why we don't get this get these good things. So what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna do that thing. Okay, I'm gonna do the premium things for free. Okay. Then so you will learn. Okay, maybe in future you will learn about making cars or different kinds of human faces, human bodies. Okay, full terrain or house, something like that. Okay, because when you are doing a project for your college, you can do a donut, right? So you can do a donut, or you can make a house or well or something like that. Your teacher is gonna say, "This is what you learn." Okay, in all these years, so it will be a bad thing. So we will try to make a better one. So imagine some guy likes to make a dragon. So and he doesn't know what to do, because all he learned was to make a house, or you know maybe a horse or something like that. He doesn't know dragon, so he will be stuck in that. Okay, that is why I'm trying to do a lot of models based on real life situations. Okay, so you won't get frustrated. So I want you guys to enjoy that. Okay, I will try my best to make videos on different type of things like that. Okay, you have to just comment on my channel. Okay, comment on my video what you want, and I will try my best to make this. Okay. Okay, in this part I'm just trying to make this blue thing. Okay, add a new material shader and blue. Okay, another doubt my students ask is should about their PC setup. Okay, so you don't need a big gaming PC to learn Maya. Just use a regular dual core PC. Okay, you can still make a I think you can make a dragon. I think. You can make a dragon in there, because dragon is okay. Dragon is fine. I think dragon you can make a dragon, because I used to make a big whole scene, whole street. I think street in the oldest of my it's the oldest potato laptop. But I made a whole street in that. Okay, it handles very well. Right now it is dying. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is you don't need a bigger PC. You have to just make it. Okay. But if you have a bigger PC, advantages you have will be this. Okay, so you can make render faster. Okay, you can render anything in a minute or in an hour. So dual core PC might take to half an hour for rendering one 1080p video. Just imagine that half an hour for that or half day for that. But if you have graphics card or high-end PC, it will only take some minutes. Okay, that is why you need a bigger PC. Okay, it will save some time. That's all it do. Since you are a student, you are not gonna make any movies bigger. Okay, you're not gonna make any movies, so your old PC is fine. Okay, now since we have this part, okay, I think our face is done. Okay, face is done. Okay, I'm not gonna stop right there. I will be continue doing that, but I will be skipping this part for later video. Okay, this one is too much. Okay, you're gonna sleep while watching my video, so I'm gonna do in next step. Now let's press 3 because I already extruded it, but it doesn't move that. Okay, so I'm gonna press 1. Just do this. Okay, okay, do like this and you're fine. Okay, currently I'm not accepting any online students, but I do have one student age. Okay. That's all. So I don't want to share my Instagram ID, but if you have doubts you can just ask me in this video and I will do give you some replies for that. Okay, I will reply every doubts. Okay, now let's see. Before we proceed to do that, okay, I think I will put right there. Okay, because this line is this line, so I'm gonna put right there. Okay, now let's put it right there. Okay, now you get this one. Okay, now we're going to arrange them in this side also. Okay, do this and you're done. Okay, for this part you can't do anything. That is the truth. Okay, you can't do anything about it. You can only just put them like this and move like this. Okay, that is the only thing you can do. So I'm gonna do this. Just put them inside. You will adjust it to the correct position later. Okay. Okay, I'm getting confused. Okay, so just don't mind that. Okay, we will do something about it later. So I'm gonna do it in 2 steps. Okay, 2 different meshes. So first mesh will contain this neck part, then this red part. Okay, that is the first part. So second part will contain these areas. Okay, so let's do it. Now I'm gonna select these guys and extrude like this. Extrude just here. Okay, don't go like this. Okay, just here. Then this one will go to. Okay, as you can see, this is not red part, so This one will go here. This one will go here. This one here. This one here. This one here. Okay, this one. Okay, there. Fine. Now let's do 1, 2. Okay, I think I will go to this front view, correct them, then I will correct it. That is the best decision, I think. Okay, so this one go here and this one go here. This one go here. See, it's done. Now we can just 1, 2. Okay, so then let's go to this edge and move it like this. Okay, so these two guys are fine. These two is okay. Now these two, okay, this one is okay. For this one, that part is good. Okay, okay, we are done. Okay, then for this part we can just move like this, move like this, move like this, move like this. So you're gonna ask what I will do about this one. Yeah, it is actually easy. So what you have to do is first select this one. Okay, don't select that one, only this part. Then move like this. So you have to align this to this line. That's all you have to do. Okay, so do this, then do this. Okay, and do this. You are done. See, it's very easy. Now, okay, I'm gonna do this one. Okay, depending on the shape, I think I can do that. Okay, now I'm going to change the colors. Okay, then I'm going to select this and this to existing skin color, to this to new material, that is navy blue, I think. Okay, I think I will put the navy blue or light blue or something like that, or sky blue. Then do this. Done. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, each color represent the loop. Okay, existing skin is okay. This one represent the loop. Okay. Okay, let's not waste the time, and we gonna select these parts. So for easiest way will be to select like this, shift press and select like this. Okay. Then extrude it down like this. So we forget this red part, so I'm gonna make this right now and delete that. Then I'm gonna correct them, put in the proper places. Please do this in the first step. Okay, when we are doing this, do this part also. Okay, or you can do like this also. So I'm gonna add a new material, that is red color. Go to red. Okay, now select these edges and extrude it down. Okay, so since we have the red one, lines go like this, this vertex go here, and this one has this spot here, and this one has this spot right here, and this one has spot right here and here. But actually we have some editing to do. Okay, since the red one is not in the proper place, we have to move them like this and put them in the proper place. Okay, for that part I think it is fine. Okay, right here, right here. So only problem is this guy. So we're gonna take this upward, put it right there. This one goes to here, and this one goes to here. Okay, so problem solved. Okay, so it goes like this. This one only goes to here. Don't go down. Okay, like this. This one here, then everything will go like this. So what you get will look like this. So I'm gonna press 3 and see. It's a beautiful neck. Okay, right. Then press 1. Then I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna select these two and use the merge to center. Then okay, a disaster has happened here. It's not a disaster. Just move these two here. That's all. That's all you need to do. Then you are done. Okay, everything will look like this. So when you press 3, see it curved like this. It get curved. That is what you are. That's all. Okay. Now for this part, we have to. You can remove this. Okay. By remove, what I mean by that is select these two, and so select these guys, and then go to edit to mesh and extract. Okay, so I'm gonna delete the history also. So I'm gonna press H, so I can hide it. Okay, now we have to make this part. Okay, don't extract this part because we need to build it up. Okay, so let's go here. See, it will look like this. Okay, I'm gonna give a little. Okay, just move it like this, just a couple of millimeter. Then bridge it. Okay, so we need NAN. Okay, the reason why I tell NAN is because we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see, we have 1, 2, 3. See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, NAN 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, if you put NAN, you get this one. Okay, so don't put 10 here. If you are counting this one, we have to add 10 here. So in this case, NAN is the correct one. Okay, we need that value when we model this part and this part. Okay, we will need that value. So put it right there. Okay, see, you get this one. Okay, I think you get the red neck. So we need to solve that issue. So select this and existing skin is fine. So okay, if we have the red part, I think it will be more easier. So but since we don't have that, I'm gonna select like this and select this and extrude it like this. Okay, so unselect this edge and move it a little bit, so it is done. And select this one, move it like this, and select this one and move it. So unselect one by one. Okay, so you get this one and vertex and go here. So you might think you already finished. Actually you didn't, so you have to next thing you have to do is press 3. Okay, only this way you can do it correctly. So put it like this, and I think right here is fine. Okay, I think just press 3 and do it. Okay, put it right there, put it like this. So we can just curve down. Okay, that is what we want. Then for these guys are for the support, so move it. Okay, move it in order to get the shape. Okay, that's all. Okay, I think it is good. So we get this beautiful neck. Okay, now you can move it down. Okay, don't move it. Okay, so just up and down. That's all. Okay, see, everything is in the proper position. I'm gonna move it down a little bit and it is done. So I'm gonna use the multi-cut 1, 2, 3. Then just move it like that. Move it like this. I think it is raining outside. That is why you are hearing this noise, or you may not. Okay, but it is raining outside. I'm gonna press save button just in case of power failure. So let's go here and select like this and move it like this. Okay, and put it right there and put it right there. Put it like this. Then all these guys go like this. Then I think I moved the wrong one, so this one go here, this one go like this, I think. So go to perspective view and change them. Okay, because we don't have the back side of this face or this image, so you have to correct it using your brain. Okay, use your brain. Now we're gonna select all these guys and existing skin. Okay, and we are done. Okay, so see, we have this neck part done. Okay, so I think it looks good. Okay, I can say this part is correct or not because we have to do this part, then only we can correct this part. So forget this part right for now. I think the bottom part looks good. Shape looks fine. Okay, see, it's a good neck. So let's go to outliner and unhide the. Let's show this one. Okay, so Shift H to do this and combine them. So you have then I'm gonna move it like this. Okay. Okay, like this is fine. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to use target wheel to attach them. So I think I can do that. Okay. So the thing is done. See, the neck is connected. I think this part need to connect. Okay. So easiest way will be to use the vertex. Okay, don't select this part. Okay, I'm not gonna select that part. Only this part, then merge. Okay, so this guy merge, but some places it doesn't merge. So I'm planning to do this. Okay, I think I will do like this. It's it is more proper shape, I think. Okay, so let's go here and move it like this. You have to shape it. Okay, shape it according to the face. So you have to get this curve like thing going on. Okay, I want a nice curve like this, so I'm gonna move like this for this part. See this curve, this is what I want. Okay, now it looks very smooth. Okay, anyways, again delete the history and press 3, so you get this part. Okay, I think this guy has some problem. You can just use experiment, you can use the mirror or anything like that, but here I'm gonna do this one. Okay, this one is fine, just merge them. Okay. Then we do the final inspection, that is to make sure we put everything in the correct position. So when you press 3 you get this, but when you press 1 you don't get that, but I think it is okay. But actually it will affect the whole, see, it will affect the mesh, so I'm gonna put it right there and move like this and like this. See, which now looks better. Then for this part, okay, for this part we need this red area, and also we need to connect like this. Okay, so let's do that. So first of all I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna do this, press 3. I already exported, so I have this face here, then put it right there. I'm gonna add a cut here and do this. See, done, easy. Then right here, so you can just extrude it. No, don't extrude it, just bridge it. Okay, bridging is easier. So 1 2 3 4, so we need 4 different sides, so we made that and put it right there. Okay, I am only looking at this part, then put it like this and like this, then again do this. Okay, see, it is easy. Time for the inspection. Okay, so if you look from the top, see, it looks like a straight line. Okay, that is not what we want, so we're gonna select these guys and move it like this. Just make it more curvier than it looks. Okay, so like this. Okay. So I'm gonna make it I make it curvier, but we will change it in the future. Okay, we can always change it. So see, it goes outside the face, so I think this one is the problem, so it will go inside and this one will stay like this. Okay, now let's make the rest of the part. So as you can see, we need to make this one also, then only we can mirror it. So I'm gonna do this, then unselect this one, then unselect that one, put it right there, unselect, put it right there, unselect. Okay, now we have to select the vertex and put it right there. Okay, now let's go here and existing skin. Okay, right now we are done. I think it's still red. Okay. Existing skin. This, did the skin color turn red? I don't know. Okay, let's again put the yellow, put the skin. Okay, now it is okay. Okay, it is not in the correct way, but we will change that later. We think about it now, it will only waste our time. We only waste our time if we think about it. So do the rest. Trust me in that process. Okay. So select this. I'm gonna bridge it. Put the 9 there. Then I'm gonna make it as blend. Okay. So we get this. So we are already almost done. So I'm gonna select these guys and put it right there, and select these two, put it right there, and select these two. Okay, this is why I don't like this thing. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I think I put one more. Okay, we have to use 8 because we already make this space. That is why it is causing some problem. So don't use 9, we are using 8. Okay, so we are using 8 here, then we will be fine. So like this and like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so do it like this. Don't do it no just focus on single line. Okay, this edge loop is done. Do that, then go to the next loop. Do that, then goes to the next loop. Okay, if you think you are good enough, then you can do this, but it's still it's almost similar, but I think it took like less time. Okay, if you know what you are doing, so do this and do this. Okay, so for this part we will just target build it. Okay, we don't bother doing the moving part. Okay, so let's select this one and go to target build. So 1 2 3. Okay, I think we have a problem here. Okay, so let's select these guys and put it in the center and do like this. Okay, if you face a problem like mine, just do this. Okay, then do this one. Okay, this one okay, how to a very simple trick to find if your faces looks bad, that is to check the gap between them. Okay, check the length. Okay, use your own eyes. Okay, so this one has highest one. This face has most highest gap, so we're gonna reduce that. Just select these guys and move it like this and move it So see, right now it looks good. That is why, okay, this is my pro tip. Okay. Don't ever forget that one. Okay, anyway, I like to find the easiest way for doing things. That is why I find all these simple techniques to make everything easy. Okay, so I learn it during I learn it by doing this practice for 4 years, but you learned it in 1 second or 1 minute. Okay, so don't forget that. I practiced for years. Okay, where did that come from? Okay, okay, just undo that. I think it happens during the target wield thing. Okay. Okay, I think I will just delete that thing and remake that one. Okay. Okay, so this one delete, this one delete. Okay, now gonna select the. Okay, double click to select all this part. Okay, you will learn one more thing today. So double click, you get all this part. Don't use this fill thing. Okay, don't use that. If you use that, you get something like this. That's not we want. So what we have to do is double click it, then unselect these two, then bridge it, then add a division, use blend or some blend like this. Then we will go to this side view and put them like this. Okay, okay, do this one. Okay, we need to correct that area, so I'm gonna turn off the symmetry for now and do like this and merge it. Okay, always make sure the mouth doesn't have any problems. Okay, what is that case? Okay, never mind that. Okay, our mouth don't have any problem. Okay, just for making sure. Okay, it doesn't have any problem. Okay, now press delete the history, then do like this, existing skin. Okay, I don't like this. Okay, so existing skin, do the yellow, again do the skin. Okay, get this. Okay, now we do this part. We will use the same technique to cover this area also. Okay, if you think this shape is not good enough, you can just select this face, turn on the symmetry, then do this. Okay, see, you can always do this part. So always use soft selection for doing that. Okay, then do this, turn off, decrease that power a little bit and adjust it until you think okay, it is good enough. It is good now, so you can do it till you want. Okay, now we can also use this sculpting thing on this face head also, and we will do it in last. Okay, okay, in some cases your file might get some error. Okay, so I think best solution will be to do it over again, do it all over again. Okay, so it will actually help you study or practice. Okay, mostly it happen because of the failure at attempts in extrude or doing any things. Okay, it happens because of your failure. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. So we want 1 2 3 here and also cut in the center. Let's see if we can make it. So one cut here, so we have one cut in the inside, 2 and 3. Okay, 3 cut in the inside, 1 cut in the center. That is what we want. Then press blind. Okay, in rare case you might get something like this. Okay, in rare cases only. So you have to change the direction from positive to positive. Okay, only rare cases you will find problems like this. Then okay, don't bother putting these points here. So just focus on these 3 lines. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right there, and right there. Okay, let me. Okay, I think I will. Yes. Okay, let's continue our study. Okay, do this. See, it's good right now. But we have some problems. That is, our lines don't align with this one. So just move it like this. For the next one, we're gonna move like this. For the next one, we move like this. Okay, just aligning, same horizontally, aligning them parallel to each other. Okay, we are focusing on this line to this line, so they are straight now. Then do this thing. Okay, so you're done. You're actually made the head very easily. Okay, so turn off this symmetry, then do this. Okay, so let's go here. We have some issues right there, so I think select this face and move like this. Okay, it happened because of the soft selection actually. Okay, I forgot to turn on the symmetry, so I have to do the same thing on this side. But for now, I will just use the mirror tool. Then 0.01 and you're done. So delete the history and you get a beautiful head. Okay, press 3 and you're done. Okay, for this part I think it happened due to this mirror thing, so select this and delete them. That's all. Okay, no need to bother doing this merge thing. Okay, easiest way will be to select this and control delete it. Okay, so we get our shape, we get our head. I'm gonna put a dummy like here using Skydon and press the red click. Okay, since our this AI shader has polished surface, see, not everything has roughness set to high, so I'm gonna turn on this roughness like this. Like this, and blue, navy blue. Okay, like this. Okay, now I'm gonna increase the samples here and turn off this camera. Okay, so you will only see the text. So okay, so I'm gonna make a copy. So first of all, delete the history and let's go to the hypershade and delete unused nodes. Okay, we don't have any unused nodes, but doing it will help something. Then also you can use the optimize screen size. Okay, so you can do this one also. Okay, so this cached data. Okay, if you normally it is turned off. Okay, when I reset C, it is turned off. So select this one also, then optimize. So the cache files also get optimized or deleted, or no, it is deleted from our memory. Then our Maya will run faster. Okay. So I'm gonna do this and existing Lambert one. Okay. So see what do we get? This is what we get. So I hope you guys like it. For this ear part is it's very difficult to put in this video. I think it is already late. Okay, you guys don't want a big video of doing a head, so I'm gonna stop it right there. See, always focus on these rings. Okay, when you model any character, okay, even if it is an animal, first do the eye part, then nose, then mouth, then connect them. Okay. For this red green part, it might get different from the different depending on the shape of the faces. So it is this green part is not that necessary one, but this yellow, red, this eye part, nose part, and mouth part is very important. Other guys are not different. Other guys are not important, but it depends on the shape of the character we are modeling. Okay, so in another video I will try to add the ear part, or I might forget about it. Okay, so okay, so let's stop it. I'm gonna stop right there. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Okay, I think I need some support from you guys, okay, for doing this. Then okay, we will see later. Okay, so bye for now. Subscribe and put a like in my video. Okay.